Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra, so let's start with today's session on the topic why unsafe jobs are killing growth. Every day millions of people go to work to earn a living and support their families. They expect their workplace to be safe and respectful. Sadly, many workers face unsafe conditions, accidents, injuries, stress, and even loss of life. This is why the United Nations created SDG 8, which focuses on decent work and sustainable economic growth. To make this goal real inside organizations, ISO 45001 plays a very important role by helping companies create safe and healthy workplaces. Now, what is SDG 8? Decent work and economic growth. SDG 8 is about more than just creating jobs. It is about creating good quality jobs. Decent work means safe working conditions, fair wages, respect for workers' rights, and equal opportunities. SDG 8 also supports long-term economic growth that does not harm people. A country cannot grow sustainably if its workers are unsafe, unhealthy, or unhappy. Now, why workplace safety is linked to economic growth? Unsafe workplaces cause accidents, injuries, and illness. When workers are injured, productivity drops, cost increase, and morale becomes low. Companies face legal penalties, medical expenses, and loss of skilled workers. All of this slows down growth. Safe workplaces, on the other hand, protect workers and help businesses grow steadily. This is why safety is a foundation of sustainable economic growth. Now let's discuss what is ISO 45001. ISO 45001 is an international standard for occupational health and safety management systems. It helps organizations identify workplace hazards, assess risk, and take action to prevent accidents and health problems. ISO 45001 focuses on prevention rather than reaction. It helps companies protect both the physical and mental health of workers and continuously improve workplace safety. Now, how ISO 45001 supports SDG 8? SDG 8 sets the goal of decent work and ISO 45000 shows how to achieve it. ISO 45001 provides a structured system for managing workplace safety. It ensures that risks are identified, workers are protected, and safety is part of everyday operations. When ISO 45001 is implemented properly, it directly supports the objectives of SDG 8. Decent work starts with safe workplaces. A job cannot be called decent if workers fear injury or illness. Decent work means workers return home safely every day. ISO 45001 ensures that workplaces are designed to reduce risk, provide protective equipment, and follow safe work practices. Safety becomes a basic right for workers, not just a rule on paper. Now, identifying hazards to protect workers. ISO 45001 requires organizations to identify all types of workplace hazards. These include physical hazards like machines and heights, chemical hazards like fumes and dust, biological hazards like viruses, ergonomic hazards like poor posture, and psychosocial hazards like stress and harassment. Identifying hazard is the first step in preventing accidents and protecting workers' health. Now, risk assessment and accident prevention. After identifying hazards, ISO 45001 requires risk assessment. This means understanding how likely an accident is and how serious the impact could be. Based on this, organizations take preventive measures. Preventing accidents is always better and cheaper than dealing with injuries, compensation, and legal problems. Now, worker participation and rights. SDG 8 strongly supports worker rights and involvement. ISO 45001 requires organizations to consult workers and involve them in safety decisions. Workers are encouraged to report unsafe conditions without fear. When workers are involved, safety improves because they understand the risk better than anyone else. Leadership commitment to safety. ISO 45001 places responsibility on top management. Leaders must show commitment to worker safety by providing resources, setting safety goals, and promoting a positive safety culture. When management takes safety seriously, workers feel valued and motivated, which improves overall performance. Now, training and awareness for safe work. ISO 45001 requires regular training and awareness programs. Workers are trained on safe work practices, emergency response, use of protective equipment, and health awareness. Training builds confidence and helps workers make safe decisions every day. Now, mental health and well-being at work. Decent work includes mental well-being, not just physical safety. ISO 45001 recognizes issues like stress, fatigue, burnout, and workplace harassment as safety concerns. Supporting mental health improves focus, reduces mistakes, and creates a healthier work environment. Now, emergency preparedness and response. Workplaces must be prepared for emergencies such as fires, chemical spills, or natural disasters. ISO 45001 requires emergency planning and regular drills. Prepared workers respond calmly and effectively, reducing injuries and damage. Now, legal compliance and worker protection. Every country has labor and safety laws. ISO 45001 helps organizations identify these legal requirements and ensure compliance. Following safety laws protects workers and reduces the risk of fines, shutdowns, and legal action. Incident reporting and learning. ISO 45001 encourages reporting of accidents, near misses, and unsafe conditions. The focus is on learning and improvement, not blaming workers. Each incident helps the organization become safer in the future. Internal audits and management review. ISO 45001 requires regular internal audits to check whether safety measures are working properly. Top management reviews safety performance and improvement plans. This keeps safety at the highest level of decision making. Then we have the continual improvement for long-term safety. ISO 45001 follows the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. This ensures that safety performance keeps improving over time. As conditions change, risks are reviewed, and new controls are introduced. Safety becomes a continuous process. Now we have the business benefits of ISO 45001. Organizations that implement ISO 45001 experience fewer accidents, lower cost, higher productivity, and better employee morale. They also gain trust from customers, investors, and regulators. Safe workplaces support stable and sustainable business growth. Now, why SDG 8 needs ISO 45001? Without a strong safety system, SDG 8 remains a goal on paper. ISO 45001 provides the structure needed to turn decent work into reality. It connects worker safety with long-term economic growth. Safe work creates sustainable growth. Economic growth should never come at the cost of human life. True development means protecting workers, respecting their rights, and ensuring safe working conditions. SDG 8 shows us the goal, and ISO 45001 shows us the way. Together, they create decent work, safe workers, and sustainable growth. That is all about today's session. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV Academy for more such informative content. Thanks for watching.